Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abdelrahman Ali Hamouda, lecturer of Endodontics at Al Azhar University. Actually, it's my first time in Bandung in Indonesia, attending the TINI 6 conference. I'm delighted to lecturing with eminent speakers. My lecture was today morning about the retreatment, problem solving in retreatment. The attendees was extremely large number, and the conference well organized. I enjoyed with discussing after lecture with my colleagues about the recent and updates in endodontics. Afternoon, I had a workshop with the corporate company. Thanks corporate dental for organization of such amazing workshop. Thanks for Twitter for support and for organization the workshop in cooperation with the corporate dental. The attendees level was an endodontist, have master degree and PhD degree in endodontics, talking about the management of complex endodontic scenario and management of curved canal. I was very happy. Looking forward to go more and more to Indonesia, and thank you so much.